Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Figure this out fast. The diagram shows what kind of biological reaction is happening, and one clue tells you exactly why option D is right. First, notice the image shows two amino acids joining together, not a nucleic acid breaking apart. So we are looking at bond formation between amino acids, which points toward proteins. Next, this joining happens by dehydration synthesis because a hydroxyl group from one molecule and a hydrogen from the other are removed to form water. That creates the bond linking amino acids, forming a polypeptide. So the reaction matches dehydration synthesis in polypeptide formation, which is option D. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, signs matter, so do not rush. Rule, trust the given molecules and check each step carefully.